Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly accumulate wealth while others struggle to make ends meet? The answer lies not only in financial strategies but also in the intricate workings of our minds. In the groundbreaking book, Psychology of Money, author Morgan Housel delves into the fascinating relationship between psychology and wealth. Today, we'll unveil 10 captivating money lessons that will revolutionize the way you think about your finances and set you on the path to financial freedom. Number 1. The impact of luck and risk. Luck, that mysterious force that can bring unexpected windfalls or unfortunate setbacks, has the power to shape our financial trajectory. It can come in the form of fortuitous opportunities, chance encounters, or favorable market conditions. Likewise, it can also manifest as unforeseen challenges, economic downturns, or personal hardships. Recognizing the influence of luck prompts us to adopt a more empathetic stance towards others who may not have had the same stroke of fortune. Simultaneously, risk is an inseparable companion on our financial journey. Every investment we make, every business venture we undertake, carries an inherent level of risk. Risk can encompass market volatility, economic uncertainty, or personal factors that may affect our financial decisions. Embracing the reality of risk encourages us to approach our financial choices with a healthy dose of caution and mindfulness. Number 2. Embrace the concept of enough. We are bombarded with advertisements that promise happiness and fulfillment through material possessions, leading us to believe that our contentment lies just beyond the next purchase. However, the truth is that true financial contentment comes from understanding and embracing the concept of enough. There is no reason to risk what you have and need for what you don't have and don't need. Bernie Madoff is the world's most infamous fraudster. But the majority of people in the world are unaware that he previously defrauded victims of $65 billion. His company was turning a profit of $25 to $50 million annually. Owning one of the most successful privately held companies in America, Bernie was incredibly and legitimately wealthy. He enjoyed greater freedom, wealth, and power than most people could ever imagine. Nevertheless, he wasted it all because it wasn't enough. Number 3. The power of time and compound interest. Imagine a seed that, when nurtured, grows into a mighty oak. Similarly, your money has the potential to multiply over time, thanks to the magic of compound interest. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Harness this power and watch your wealth soar to new heights. Number 4. The art of savings. Saving is a skill that extends far beyond mere deprivation and self-denial. It is an art that empowers us to make conscious choices that align with our values and long-term goals. It involves the delicate balance of separating our wants from our needs and directing our resources toward what truly matters in our lives. By cultivating a habit of saving, no matter how small the amount, we lay the foundation for financial stability and unlock a world of possibilities. At its core, saving is not about living a life devoid of pleasure or denying ourselves the joys and experiences that make life meaningful. Instead, it is about gaining control over our financial resources and channeling them purposefully. It is about recognizing that our desires can often be fleeting, while the security and peace of mind that come from financial stability are enduring. Number 5. The cost of financial misbehavior. Our behaviors and decisions surrounding money hold significant sway over our financial well-being. Whether it's impulsive spending, excessive risk-taking, or falling victim to cognitive biases, our financial misbehaviors can have far-reaching consequences. One of the first steps in addressing financial misbehavior is to gain awareness of our own biases and pitfalls. As humans, we are prone to cognitive biases that can cloud our judgment and lead us astray. Confirmation bias, for example, can cause us to seek out information that supports our pre-existing beliefs, potentially preventing us from considering alternative perspectives or making rational decisions. Similarly, the allure of instant gratification can push us towards impulsive spending, sacrificing our long-term financial security for short-term pleasures. Number 6. Freedom. The highest return on investment is time control. The ability to say when you wake up, "I can do whatever I want today," is the highest form of wealth. People desire financial success because it will make them happier. But because we are all different, the topic of happiness is complicated. Control, however, is a common factor in happiness. People desire to have control over their future. It is priceless to be able to do what you want, when you want, with whom you want, and for however long you want. The highest dividend money can buy is this one: As noted by Angus Campbell's 1981 book The Sense of Well-Being in America, having a strong sense of controlling one's life is a more dependable predictor of positive feelings of well-being than any of the objective conditions of life we have considered. Money's greatest value, then, is its ability to give you control of your time. Number 7. Getting wealthy versus staying wealthy. Making wise decisions is not a requirement for successful investing. It involves consistently not making mistakes. There are numerous paths to financial success, but only one leads to sustained wealth: frugality and paranoia. My one-word choice to describe financial success is survival. Just as Warren Buffett claims, "Don't lose money" is the most important piece of advice for making money. Many people earn a lot of money, but much fewer actually keep it. Making money and keeping it is a very different skill. Number 8. Man in the car paradox. Rarely do you think, "Wow, the guy driving that car is cool," when you see someone driving a nice car. As opposed to that, you consider, "Wow, if I had that car, people would think I'm cool." No matter if it's subconscious, this is how people think. Contrary to popular belief, wealth tends to signal to others that one should be liked and admired. But in reality, those other people frequently pass over admiring you because they use your wealth as a barometer for their desire to be accepted and esteemed. This isn't because they don't think wealth is admirable. Number 9. Reasonable or rational. According to Morgan, making reasonable decisions as opposed to always being rational results in better long-term investment outcomes. He contends that having no feelings about your strategy or the stocks you own increases the likelihood that you will give up on them when things get tough. What appears to be rational thinking turns into a liability. The sane investors who are passionate about their technically flawed trading strategies have an advantage because they are more likely to stick with them. Number 10. The importance of a safety net. Life is full of uncertainties, and it is during these unpredictable moments that the importance of having a safety net becomes evident. Just as a safety net protects acrobats from falling, a well-built financial safety net shields us from the unexpected twists and turns that life may throw our way. It is a vital component of financial well-being, providing us with the resilience and security to navigate challenging times with confidence. One of the key elements of a robust safety net is an emergency fund. An emergency fund serves as a financial cushion, ready to absorb the impact of unforeseen expenses, sudden job loss, or medical emergencies. It acts as a shield against the unexpected, allowing us to weather storms and maintain financial stability even in the face of adversity.